Okay, our Pine agency become very popular. Many people travel and visit pine trees, and we have lots of good testimonials that we want to show. So let's add the testimonial section on the page. So we'll duplicate this part. And first let's remove the customizer actions. We don't need this here. That's from our advantages. And also the post content actions. So, okay, now this is plain HTML. And we can use carousel, bootstrap, like slider, to show these testimonials. Let's take this one, just put it here. And we will not use pictures. To see better. So now we have, this is the carousel, and we have the inner, and these are the individual slides. So let's get rid of 2, just keep 1. And then carousel item. Now we have image, but let's add, actually we'll just use we can use H4 for the text. And P for the person, for the name. Okay, and we add this to the page. And delete the image. Let's refresh so that things, okay. Turn it around. And we have to do some styling. So this is carousel item. Maybe we center the text. Also need some spacing. Maybe minimum height. Okay, it's very basic, but it will do for now. And we don't need the title, not the text down here. Okay, so here we have our slider, and we have the slide. Let's add one more and refresh. And they both show up because they both have the class active. Only one slide needs to have it. Okay, and we can try. Test clicks. Okay, the slider works. So all we have to do now is connect it with dynamic data from our WordPress database. And we will use custom post types to do that. So normally these custom post types are a bit complicated, but with PineGrow and with our new smart actions, they are quite simple. So what we will do is we will select the item, the carousel slide, which will be actually our post. And then here in WordPress, we will go to post and loop. Classes for the first item, actually we need this option. We need class active to be added only on the first item in the loop. And then query post type, we will use our own. Let's call it testimonial. And as soon as we started typing, we got like more options. So order by, create date, okay. Post per page, if we don't do specify number, it will return like all posts, which is okay for these testimonials. And here we say, okay, register post type. So name, that's like plural. Testimonials. And testimonial, okay. Let's check the code. What will happen? And Pinegrow will do this for us. Like all this VP query stuff with these parameters, and also it will register post type with like kind of sensible defaults. Okay. And all that's actually the slide will be in the enclosed by the loop. So we can use the post content action on the slide to actually show the content of the testimonial. Okay, let's see the code again. Okay, so here we see, here the content will be inserted. And also we don't need this second, it's just a placeholder. We're just testing the carousel now, but we don't want it exported in the code, so we say don't export. So, okay, let's try. I think that should work. So let's go, export the theme. And I already prepared a couple of testimonials. I'll show you. Okay, so here we have testimonials now. And I have 2, 1, 2, 3. And it's kind of simple. It's just the content contains like the quote, which is heading 3, and the paragraph with the person's name. So let's see, reload the page. And here are our testimonials, and the style didn't get saved. So one thing to keep in mind when we change the style and we just go WordPress export theme without saving the style changes, they will not show up in our theme. So if we do styling, we have to save the changes, and then we don't actually have to do WordPress export theme. We just save the changes and they will be copied, exported to our theme. So now here is our testimonial. With custom post types and like dynamic carousel slider, and was very simple to make it, right? Personally, I really enjoy these new smart actions because it's so much easier to do like complicated stuff now. Like here with that 1 or 2 actions, we registered post type, we created a custom query, we created the loop, and it actually, yeah, as I said before, like doing stuff like this is usually like painful in WordPress, but with Pinegrow it's kind of fun. So at this point we could say that our like theme is complete. We did everything that we wanted to implement. But in the next video, I will show you like how to customize things further and what else can be done, and also some ideas how you can use Pinegrow WordPress Builder with your projects, and in what role it can play in your workflow. So, okay, see you in next video.